Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you the last section for the PALM2 API, that is the data prompt. There is the data prompt exactly for the PALM2 API. The new data prompt is an interesting section actually. The API understand the things and give you response on behalf of that thing. So let's go and see the example, what we can do with this. If you create an example, you can see nothing much here exactly. But if you can go here and write the word, and here if you write, okay, now black, black, white, good. If you run this, you see, you get a response on the opposite side. So it compare your examples with the prompting. Okay, now see what I have done with the API in this kind. So if I go to the postman, if I call the API, okay, first I have to launch the code over here. Okay, if you go here, and it gets started on port 3000, nothing fancy. If you click on this one, and if you see the code, is it output is right? Okay, if I enlarge the screen, it says output is right, and it gives a bunch of parameters also. In the previous APIs also it gives this kind of parameters. So I have never consoled it out, but right now it console out like this. Output is right. So let's, not wasting any time, jump into the code and see what I have written to with this example exactly in the code. Okay, so here is the code. As usual, the native APIs are called over. It's a simple Express application with the Express Get API that I have written, and with the required SDKs of the Google. So here is the word I wanted to get answer for. And you see the word, and the word is here. And I have given a couple of example: word strong, weak; word thick, thin; spare, thin; slopey, organized. So here are some of the examples that are here. Find the word or phrase with opposite meaning. So this is an example, and it runs through these parameters exactly. So the model is the same, the text base in 01, and these are the parameters I find very helpful. So I have kept these parameters like this way. Okay, you can alter the parameters and the result get a little bit altered on these parameters exceptionally, and you can console it out here. I have console it out here. You can obviously go and bring only this output section. In my previous chat example, I have already shown it how you can do it here, and in another previous example also. So you can do it by yourself over here with this code. Now this is how it get generated. There are two examples that are there. The first one, I have the word wrong, and it gives me the answer is right. Now if I stop the first example and open the second example is a different one. I have given him some of the locations and tell him about the Athens and all those things. Now I am asking about India and me. So it understands the wordings and it gives me back. Let's see what it does give me back. Exactly. So I'm not using Notebook. That is why I have to restart the servers. Okay. Now again I clicked, waiting for the results to be appeared. And here is the output. You can see it has given me such uh, incredible information on the basis of the answers that I have previously given, which does not even have a link with the question that I am asking, but it has a genre of that question, and it get assume the answers and give me that reply on the basis of this. Is a fantastic one. I have covered all the three of the APIs right now on my channel: the text prompt, the data prompt, the chat prompt. Go check it out. It's a beautiful APIs. It can be so helpful. They are giving out the keys. This is beautifully done by Google. And obviously, I would like to again show you how you can generate the keys from here. You can generate the keys once you log in into the Palm API. Exactly. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like my video, do subscribe to my channel. And as usual, I will be giving you the codes on the description. Thank you so much.